Hi everyone, this is Yvette from My World of Metaphysics, and I'm back again with one of my rituals. Today I'm going to give you a simple ritual that you can do within a few minutes using a candle and a piece of paper. Now listen, this is powerful and it's there to help you set the intent for whatever it is that you want to bring in that abundance. Now, I'm asking you to watch this video all the way to the end because you guys know I love to throw in some extra tips to help you with your manifestations. If you're new to My World of Metaphysics, this is a metaphysical law of attraction channel that focuses on spiritualism, rituals, whether we're talking about bay leaves, affirmations, scripting, everything is right here, all in one place. Don't forget to support the channel by liking, subscribing, tapping the bell, and most of all, just keep watching the videos. I'm back, everyone. Now, what is this ritual that I'm telling you that you can do in a couple of minutes and basically manifest your desires? Now, this ritual involves having a candle. Now, this is 𝐂𝐥𝐚𝐫𝐲. This is a candle dressed already, prepared already for business success. Okay, so you just have to look in the description, go to my website and look up 𝐂𝐿𝐿𝐴𝐴 and it's there for you. Okay, look in the candle section. Now, if you don't have 𝐂𝐿𝐴𝐴, you are welcome to have any type of candle. Okay, so now here I have some few little 50-cent candles you can use. If you don't have colored candle to represent what it is that you want, you are welcome to use a plain white candle. Remember, white candles are universal and you can program them for whatever it is that you want. Now, what are we going to do? We're basically going to write out what we desire on the piece of paper, okay? Now, when I say write it out, you're going to be clear already before you start this. Let's just say you're waiting for this promotion, okay, at your job. You're going to write on the paper what you desire. Something as simple as, thank you, universe, for blessing me with my promotion. My promotion came. I'm making the money that I want. I'm working with the people that I want to work with, and I'm in the location that I want to work in. Now, if it's a business that you're opening up, you might want to write, thank you, universe, for blessing me with my business. It is prospering. People are coming in. They're waiting at the door. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Listen, follow your heart, because when you're doing this on your own time, in your own private space, and you're writing out what it is that you have in your heart. Now, what I will ask you to do is when you write out whatever it is that you're desiring at that moment, please write it as if it is already done. Like, thank you, God, for my business. Thank you, God, for my promotion. Thank you, universe, for the love of my life. Okay? And it is just that simple. Okay? Now, the next thing we're going to do is program the candle. Okay? Again, you can use simple candles or you can use candles that have been programmed already. Now, for me, whether I'm using a candle that is already programmed or not, I tend to reprogram that candle, okay? I tend to cleanse my candle with Florida water or holy water, something to cleanse it off with. Just spraying it a little bit, you know, it could be just a little spray, or it could be a prayer to cleanse the candle before I use it. The next thing you want to do is that you want to hold the candle in your hand, okay? Your two hands or your one hand. Okay? And you want to program that candle for whatever it is that you desire. Again, whatever you wrote on the paper and whatever you're programming the candle to do should be the same, okay? Now, and listen, stick with me because I'm going to give you some extra tips on what you can do with the candles, okay? The next thing you're going to do is you're going to light the candle, okay? You're going to light the candle, and as the candle is burning, you're going to visualize whatever it is that you want. But hold up a minute. Before you do all of that, you're going to take the paper and you're going to place it underneath the candle, okay? Again, you're going to take whatever you wrote and place it underneath the candle. And you're going to sit with it, visualizing whatever it is that you desire as if it is already done. You might say something like, thank you, universe, for blessing me. Thank you for my perfect job. I now have the promotion that I want. It's already done. I'm working with the people that I want to work with. I'm receiving the money that I wanted to receive. Thank you, God, for blessing me. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And I want you to visualize yourself being, doing, and having whatever it is that you want. You might then sit there and just stare in the flame of the candle and say, thank you, God. Thank you, universe. Thank you, thank you, thank you, as the candle burned down. Now, listen, some candles take 3 hours to burn down. Some of them, like these, may burn down in 30 minutes. It's up to you which candle you want to use. Now, when you have a candle that burn for a longer period of time, I don't sit there with the candle for the next 3 hours or 7 days, okay? Because I never leave a candle burning alone. I never do. What you can do is snuff out the candle, okay? And then come back at another time and relight it, okay? And sit with the candle. Again, you don't even have to say anything. You could just sit there with the candle and say, thank you, God, thank you, God, thank you, God. And just visualize yourself having whatever it is that you want. If you're using these little candles here, they are very difficult to stand up, okay? So what I usually do, I usually light a match and I burn the bottom of the candle just a little bit, and then I place it in a candle holder like this. Okay, I burnt the bottom of the candle, okay? And you see how the candle cannot fall out, okay? It is stuck there, okay? So that's how I use these little candles here to burn and then pray over to set my intent. Now, if you don't have parchment paper, again, if you need any of these things, look in the description, go to my shop. These will be under the supplies. The candles will be under candles, okay? All of this stuff is here, okay? And if you need parchment paper, you can get that too. But if you don't have it, you are welcome to use a plain piece of white paper. Okay? This one right here says, I am success now. I am success now. That is just as simple. That's all that you need to do at this moment to place it underneath the candle. Now, some of you might get results immediately, maybe the next day, maybe the next couple of days, okay? It's all about your belief and you setting that intent to get whatever it is that you want. Remember, the real power comes from within. These are just tools that you're using to help bring it about. For those of you that are still here, here's some extra tips. When you go to write on your paper or pray on your candle, you might want to anoint your candle with intention oils. Here I have holy oil, which I use on every one of my candles. I do just like that. I have Better Business, because this is a business success candle. You take Better Business, put it like that. I got magnet oil to attract things to me, and I might put that on my hand. And I also have here success oil, and I put that here. Now again, remember you guys, this is a business candle that I'm burning. So I might roll my hands together, and before I light this candle, I will roll it on the candle, like something like this, okay? Another thing that you might do based on what it is you're trying to do, whether you're trying to manifest money, a new career, open up a business, you might want to sprinkle a little bit of cinnamon on your candle. So what it is, I poured a little bit of cinnamon in my hand with the oil, okay? Roll it together and then roll it on the candle, okay? So now, not only have you prayed and set your intent in the candle, but you also set intention oil on it and cinnamon. What does cinnamon do, you guys? It brings in whatever it is that you're talking about. It's for money, abundance, success, whatever it is. Cinnamon, we all know, works very well. So now, what do you do while this is burning? You can either sit here and pray, you could do some scripting, you can sit here and just visualize and just sit in peace. After you do this, take action and go and apply for the grant to start your business. Go right ahead and apply for that new job that you've been waiting for. Go right ahead and go out with your friends, and don't look for the love of your life. Allow the love of your life to come to you. Allow the universe to bring that special person into your life. This is candle magic, you guys. And listen, it works, because not only are you working with the God that's within you, you're also setting the intent, taking action by visualizing, stating what you want, and absolutely scripting it on a piece of paper. So now some of you might be saying, Yvette, what do I do with the paper after the candle burns out? You can burn it, okay? and blow it out to the universe, you can absolutely carry it with you and read it every day, to keep that energy going, keep that intention going. Or you can take it and fold it up and put it in your wallet. And then once it manifests, you can either bury it, burn it, or just get rid of it. So again, everyone, this is Yvette from My World of Metaphysics, and I'm always giving you guys ideas, things to do to manifest whatever it is that you want. Don't forget to be safe with the candle. Never leave a candle burning by itself. And if you want any of these things that I mentioned today, please look in the description, go to my site. It's all there. And namaste.